In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Microsoft Teams meeting. If you need to launch a meeting quickly in Microsoft Teams, this is a simple process and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can start a meeting right away without having to schedule it in advance. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar section. This is the area where Teams keeps your scheduled meetings and gives you access to meeting-related tools. If you're using Teams in a browser or desktop app, the calendar option is usually easy to find in the main navigation. Once you're there, you'll be in the right place to start an instant meeting. Next, look for the Meet Now button and click it. This option is designed for situations where you want to begin a meeting immediately instead of setting one up for later. It's especially useful for quick team discussions, last-minute check-ins, or when you just want to jump into a call without going through the full scheduling process. After you click Meet Now, Teams will open the meeting setup screen. From there, click Start Meeting. This is the final step that actually launches the meeting. Once you select it, your Microsoft Teams meeting will begin right away. At that point, you can continue with whatever you need to do next inside the meeting, such as inviting others or preparing to speak. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're in the correct account and workspace before starting, especially if you use Teams for more than one organization. That can help avoid launching the meeting in the wrong place. It's also a good idea to quickly check your audio and camera settings if they appear before the meeting begins, so everything is ready when you go live. And that's all it takes to start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Just open Calendar, click Meet Now, and then click Start Meeting. It's a fast and convenient way to begin a call when you don't need to schedule one ahead of time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started with Microsoft Teams more confidently.